This is what we've got. And it's exceptionally wonderful, guys. Exceptionally wonderful. Colorful. Oh, look at the vapor oozing out of that. Ooh. Who wants to come share? Hey there, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I'm so happy to be doing this with you guys. Guess what we're making today? Guys, we have a special edition today, Koki. Guys, we're going to be learning how to make Koki today. It will be a step-by-step procedure so that even a beginner can grasp the very core of it. So I'm going to start by soaking my beans. These beans that we're going to be using for our Koki, it's called black-eyed peas. They've already been peeled, but if you're using unpeeled beans, I'm leaving a link to a video demonstrating how to wash Koki beans at home easily. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you're done. So these have already been washed. When I say washed, that means they've been peeled. The outer part or the peelings have been taken care of. So the only thing I have to do here will be to soak my beans for approximately 10 minutes. So I have my bowl here and I'm going to put my beans in the bowl. So I'm going to add water to top this up. So we have this already soaked in water and we're going to let this stand for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. We really want the beans soaked and soft. I may even leave this for 25 minutes. We'll see, guys. I'll tell you guys the time later. See you guys later. Guys, I actually soaked my beans for approximately 1 hour because I was busy with other things. So this has been soaked for 1 hour and I think I'll recommend 1 hour, guys. Soak your beans for approximately 1 hour. So I'm going to go clean my beans now. I'm going to rinse this out approximately 3 times and making sure that I let go of some of these peelings at the top. See you later. So guys, I did rinse out my beans approximately 3 times and my beans is clean now. So the next thing will be to blend everything. And make sure to blend your beans with as little water as possible, guys. Normally, I would like to blend the beans with some onion, but that's not needed because we are doing the traditional method. You just need to blend your beans with little water. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a blender and blend. See you later. Guys, I'm going to be using a very deep container like this one to put my blended beans. So let's go. So guys, these are blended beans and I'm going to show you guys the consistency. Look at how thick this is because I used little water as much as possible. Alright, continue to blend your beans and I'll see you later. Guys, so the next thing we're going to do will be to add just a little bit of salt at this stage. And then we go in with our hand mixer. So let's go. That was the reason for a deep container, guys, because of this process. So that we avoid spilling or so splashing. In order to avoid splashing. Continue to beat, guys, until it's fluffy. So guys, as you all can see, it's light. The next thing we're going to do will be to add oil and salt. Those are the only ingredients we have to add. Sure. So next thing will be to warm up some palm oil in a pot and then pour everything in here. Make sure your palm oil is just warm enough. You don't want it hot, too hot. Alright guys, see you later. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to taste. We're going to balance up the salt, guys, at the end. So this is just for the beginning. You can actually add vegetable cubes or Maggi, but I'm not going to be doing that. So our oil is just hot enough, and I'm going to be pouring that in here. We're going to mix everything up. More oil. Mix everything up. Make sure you scrape the sides and get all the oil in there while scraping the sides of your container. Okay, I think this is enough. The next thing we're going to do will be to add a little bit of water to lighten this up a bit. You don't want your Koki too thick. Mix this up. So I'm going to be adding more. So I have to taste at this stage. I think I need more salt. Mix. So this is the stage where you add some chopped green leaves, but I'm not going to be doing that, guys. I want to keep it simple. So the next thing we're going to do is to get plantain leaves, which I don't have the luxury of. So I'm going to be using some baking paper to tie my Koki, accompanied by some aluminium foil. So let's go, guys. So we're going to get a little bowl like this. Place aluminium foil underneath. And then our baking paper. And then we're going to scoop and put everything in there. Drop that in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm first of all going to gather this up. Twist the mouth like this, and then bring in my aloo to hold everything in place. So I've got this in the pot, just like a base or support. If I have a bigger pot, I'll turn this like this, but since my pot is smaller, I'm going to be using it like this. So I'm going to gently place my Koki over this, and then I continue. So see you later. So your aloo, your baking paper, scoop your beans mixture or your grounded beans mixture. Secure the baking paper first by twisting the upper part of it. Look at the allowance in there, because you want, when your Koki starts expanding, it's supposed to break. So, and then bring the aloo over it to secure it or keep it in place. So keep this in the pot. So guys, this is what I obtained. I wrapped up the upper bundles just with a double layer of baking paper. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, cover this up and boil for not less than 1 hour 30 minutes. Make sure you monitor the quantity of water in your pot at any time, because of the fact that it could easily get dry and get burnt up. So guys, see you later with the results. This is what we've got, and it's exceptionally wonderful, guys. Exceptionally wonderful, colorful, Oh, look at the vapor oozing out of that. Ooh. Who wants to come share? So thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.